walking along the bank of a gently flowing stream. I'm going to visit my old friend, a beautiful, big, old oak tree. Approaching, I greet her as I feel her old leaves, dry and crushing beneath my feet. In the heat of the day, I feel her shade. Looking up, I smile and show my appreciation for her cooling canopy of leaves above me. I sense and feel her magical living energy as I thank her for always being there for me. I sit down in my favorite hollow in her protective trunk, and I dig my toes deep into the dark, rich, moist humus under her leaves, feeling my connection to the earth. Feeling safe and protected, I imagine the depth of her roots deep in the earth beneath me. She's so strong, healthy, and proud. Laying back, I nestle my head against her musky, mossy trunk, and I close my eyes. I breathe in deeply, cool air in and warm air out, slowly sinking into a meditative, dreamlike state of being. I feel the breeze gently brushing by as it kisses my cheeks. Suddenly, I realize how lucky I am. My thoughts drift to the stream flowing before me. I hear and feel the sounds of the water flowing in synchronicity with my heart. And I feel safe, wrapped in the warm, loving arms of Mother Nature. Mother, I say with breathy lips. My thoughts drift to her fresh water springs, streams, waterfalls, rivers that flow from the highest mountains, flowing through the veins of the continent, over the lands and through the plains, and wetlands down to the sea. My mind flows out to sea, dreaming of the cycles of the ocean tides, waves, and currents, the warming and the cooling from tropical to icy Arctic waters, the living pulse of the life of Mother Nature. I'm breathing air in and out. I focus on the breeze, feeling her cool breath flowing over and past me in waves of love, connection, and compassion. Mother, I say as my thoughts push further out, as the moist air gently rolls by, slowly gathering into clouds of rain to wash everything clean again with life-giving fresh water. My thoughts drift even further out to the magnetic field that surrounds our world, protecting us from solar flares which threaten to harm all life on our planet. Then I envision the protective ozone layer, that protective, warm, insulating blanket acting like the wall of a womb, protecting the life within it from the icy cold of deep, deep space. This magical world is our mother. Suddenly I sit up straight, eyes wide open. Mother, I yell, what have I been doing to you? I have been so careless and selfish, like a teenage child, and demanding much more than I should ever have asked from you, more than I ever needed. I've been mindlessly hurting you without thinking. I choose from this day forward to take responsibility for my actions and to help nurture, heal, and protect you. I stand and I take my first steps as if awake for the first time. I feel her love and warm caress. And I know my life's purpose is to help save our world. Come join us. We are the Help Save Our World organization, movement, and speakers group. We are the voices of the voiceless ones. Our purpose is to guide you, the people of the world, back into alignment with yourself and your Mother Nature's living ecosystems, back to being one with your mother, back to living in love, balance, and harmony with the magical energy flows of life. We are your guides and teachers of the truth, teachers of the secret, hidden, natural wisdom of nature and the universe. That love-based way of life will transform your life and the world which you will manifest around you. It's possible to change our world by coming together with one singular purpose to create a happy, healthy, and sustainable future. The people of the world changing the way they think and live in the world is what we all need to help save our world together. Everything you think, say, and do matters. So why not take responsibility for your life, your every feeling, thought, and action, and let's help save our world together. Denism is the natural philosophy of nature and the universe. It exposes and reveals that hidden secret way of thinking and living your life, which has always existed in the universe. What I'm suggesting is we need a paradigm shift, which as adults we need to return to being one with the flow of life and Mother Nature. It is the way to reverse the damage we have done to our world and to heal our planet. So join our movement. Join our conversations. We welcome open-minded, positive, and hopeful speakers who want to change the conversation to change our world. Help us create sustainable teaching eco-villages and then spread them around the world. Change your way of life and you change the world. Show others how, and we change the world together. Change the way you raise your children, and we change the world in a few generations. We are either the problem or we are the solution. What do you choose to be? Mother Nature is calling you. Are you listening? She needs you now. Thank you.